Hello, welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Pro Development Beginners to Experts course. Lecture we see how we can create pages, and in the pages how we can create contact us page. So let's click on online store and then let's click on pages. What clicking on page we'll see thing like this page. On this click on add page. Here just is the title, contact us, and the description. Don't give any description. You can edit it for SEO purposes. We'll do another lecture on SEO in another section. In the future lecture, you will see this SEO like thing to be done by us. So after this, contact us, then visible, and then in online store you have to select contact template. Right, this is built-in template in every Shopify store theme, so you can just select the contact and click on save. Once you click on save, your contact us page is created. So just to be sure, just click on new page, and here you see contact us page is pretty like this. Awesome. I hope you guys like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.